Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome to another episode of Soul Speak with Sona. If you are new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe. It encourages me to make more videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I am Sonam. I am a tarot card reader with 14 years of experience. I am also a chakra healer and a published author. So today I am going to talk about something very different. I am not here to do a pick a card reading, but rather I am here to talk about twin flame relationships. I am sure a lot of you have come across this, and this is very prevalent and a very popular topic across the internet. So I thought let's make a video on it. So what is a twin flame relationship? It is, as you know, it is a past life connection. The term twin flame denotes a soul which has been split into two parts, and so there are two, it is living in two different people who make a complete whole. That is why it is also called a mirrored relationship, because the other person is like your mirror and you can see yourself in them. This is often confused with the soulmate relationship, but I am here to clarify your doubts and to tell you some signs which will show you whether you are in a twin flame relationship or not, and to help you recognize it. Okay, so let's start. The very first sign, and the one of the basic ones, is a feeling of instant recognition. So when you first meet your twin flame, you just feel, despite meeting them for the very first time, you feel a sort of connection with them, and you instantly feel like you've known them from the past. In some cases, twin flames have also reported getting memory or flashbacks from a past lifetime. Again, this is not something that all of us can easily feel or recognize if that happens, but you might get a sense of deja vu, like you have met them before, or you've connected with them, or just some sort of positive vibes that you get from a person despite meeting them for the first time. This is the very first giveaway sign that this could be a twin flame relationship. The second sign is that because you have emerged from the same soul, you are two different parts of the same soul, you might be very similar to each other. You might have similar interests, you might have similar topics of discussion with each other. And here I just want to mention that it is not necessary that your twin flame is a romantic connection. It can also be a friend or a family member, or it can be anyone which matches the below characteristics. A lot of people assume that a twin flame relationship has to be romantic in nature, but that's not true. So you are very similar to each other, and that is because you both are derived from the same soul. You might have a lot of spiritual interests, and this could be a topic that you both discuss a lot, and you might also help each other on this journey. This again, this is not a very specific characteristic, because any two people can be very similar, so you have to see this in the context of all the other signs that I am going to mention. The third and a very important sign of twin flame relationships is that it's a very intense and a tumultuous relationship. So if you talk to people who have had twin flame unions, they will most likely tell you that it was not an easy journey. So the twin flame journey is rarely easy. There are two aspects of this journey. One is the 3D world where we are living, and one is the 5D world, which is the fifth dimension, which we cannot see in reality, but it is there inside us. If you just close your eyes, you can feel it. So in 5D reality, the relationship can be very smooth, but at the same time in 3D you can experience a lot of ups and downs. A lot of twin flame relationships keep breaking up, and they keep coming back to each other. If it's a romantic relationship, in any other relationship there can be a lot of breaks. So this is a telltale sign. In a normal relationship, if you are in a toxic relationship, or you've experienced any such connection which is not very stable and smooth, chances are that you will not keep coming back to the same person after a breakup. But in a twin flame relationship, this is very common. Sometimes, even though you know that the relationship is not working out, it is not easy for you to walk away from it because of the deep soul connection. The next sign is that they feel like home. So because you both were one single soul at some point of time, they will make you feel very safe and secure. So in the ups and downs that I mentioned in the previous sign, you might notice that when the things are good, they're really good, they make you feel like you have arrived home. So they will make you feel very safe and secure. And especially if you have had past relationships or experiences where you have not received a lot of love in return, a twin flame relationship can feel like it can just blow your mind. It can be, oh my god, I didn't even know such a relationship can exist. That is a feeling that a lot of twin flames experience. They just feel that there's something which they can't describe. It's a very difficult feeling to describe, but they just feel like everything's falling into place. This is when the things are good, and as I said, there can be a lot of ups and downs. And this brings me to the next point, which is a push-pull dynamic. So in a twin flame relationship, one person is the divine masculine and the other person is the divine feminine. Please note that this is not gender specific, so a female need not be the divine feminine, and it's not necessary that the male person is the masculine. It can be vice versa, it can be in any sort of way. We each have a masculine and feminine, we have both the energies within us, each one of us. So for each one of us, our right side is masculine energy and our left side is feminine energy. So we both have both the divine masculine and feminine within us. However, in the twin flame relationship, for one person the divine feminine will be overactive, and for the other person the divine masculine will be overactive. How do you know which is which? The divine masculine is the one which is also known as the runner in the relationship. This is because often you'll notice in a twin flame relationship, the push-pull dynamic is maintained because one person runs and the other chases. So the divine masculine is mostly the one which runs away from the relationship or runs away from the commitment because it is too intense for them. The divine feminine is the one which gets enlightened faster. So chances are, if you are watching this video of mine, you embody the divine feminine. This may or may not be true, but that is highly likely. So the divine feminine is the one which wakes up first spiritually and realizes how special the relationship is, even before the other person realizes in the 3D world how important and how special this relationship is, and it could be a past life relationship. So the divine feminine is the chaser because she is the one who realizes the value, and thus she runs after the masculine, hoping to take the relationship to the next level or asking for some sort of commitment or to formalize the relationship. This is usually the push-pull dynamic. Over the course of the twin flame journey, there can be multiple breaks, and as I said, you can keep breaking up and coming back together, and the push-pull dynamic can change. The runner can become the chaser and vice versa. So if by chance after a breakup or an argument you both come back, and it can be that the other person is now calling the shots, so this relationship can change. However, most of the time in the relationship there will be one person who denotes the masculine, who will be the one running away from the relationship, and the one who is the chaser, which will be the divine feminine. This is the biggest characteristic of a twin flame relationship. We now come to the next one, which is synchronicity. So while you are on your twin flame journey, you might get a lot of signs and symbols from the universe which might make you feel like this is something which is beyond the 3D. This is something which is special, and you might have a past life connection or something that keeps pulling you back to them. You might also see a lot of repeating numbers. 1111 is a special twin flame number, so if you do see that, that is a good sign. And you can also see a lot of other synchronicities around you, or you might just come across twin flame or anything like that, like the discussion on social media or just while scrolling through your phone or something. And now we come to the last point. The last sign is self growth. So because the this relationship can be very tumultuous, you can bring out the flaws in each other. So while you can be very similar to the other person, you can also trigger a lot of things in them. So the entire purpose of the twin flame journey is not just a love story where two people are supposed to go through the difficult, tough journey, the push and the pull, and unite. There is a higher soul purpose to it, and you have probably gone through numerous lifetimes trying to attain this union. So the entire purpose of a twin flame journey is to attain self growth. So a lot of people who've done a lot of spiritual work on themselves suddenly find themselves in the middle of this journey without them realizing, which is the universe's way of asking them to work more on themselves in the relationship, because the other person might trigger a lot of flaws in you, or you might have a lot of fights about certain things. There is a possibility that you are made to realize your worth. So when I say spiritual growth, you are meant to love yourself. So self love is one of the biggest learnings of a twin flame relationship. When in a relationship with your twin flame, there will come a point where you will go through a very difficult time, probably after a separation, which is called the dark night of the soul, and then you will experience a lot of spiritual growth and transformation. It's a very difficult time, but if you get through this, if you don't give up, a lot of people do give up at this point in the journey, and they just realize it's too difficult and I can't do this anymore. So if that's the case, you will not have a twin flame union in this lifetime. The only way to achieve union is to do the work yourself. So it's not going to be a very easy relationship if that's what you were hoping for. So you do need to work on your flaws, and you need to work on your self-love, and you need to get rid of all the subconscious blocks that you might have, which you have gathered due to your past experiences. And so a twin flame relationship will definitely send you down a spiritual path, a self-growth path, and you will change, transform as a person over time. And this is something that is a prerequisite for it to be a twin flame relationship. If you met all the other conditions, but there has been no spiritual growth, or you don't feel any change in yourself, then it can be a false twin flame. So this is one of the biggest signs. And so now we have discussed 7 signs, and I'd just like to add a couple of things. A lot of just having one sign out of these 7 does not imply that it's a twin flame relationship. A lot of people go down the false road by assuming this is a twin flame relationship, and they get stuck in toxic loops because they think this is meant to be. If that's the case with you, don't do that. Okay, this is in no way a validation that you need to keep tolerating whatever toxic abusive cycle you are in. If the entire journey is meant to transform you as a person, so if you feel more empowered, if you feel that this has set you down a path of spiritual growth, then only you should continue. So this is a telltale sign of a twin flame relationship, and I want you to avoid false relations. If you have any doubts, or if you have absolutely any questions, you can get in touch with me. You can also book a special twin flame relationship reading with me, and my details are in the description box. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Do let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.